Welcome back on a new Bluegrass Joe replay. Today, Bourda's Medal. What is Bourda's Medal? Bourda's Medal is killing 5 artillery. I don't have to tell you that killing 5 artillery is something extremely rare. I only witnessed 1 medal in 30,000 battles. This is mine. Because to achieve this feat, you need to have first 5 artilleries in the enemy team, which is really uncommon. I would guess maybe one battle over 1,000 is about 5 artilleries in the enemy team, and for one tank to be able to collect the 5 kills is even rarer. So, what kind of artillery do we have in the enemy team? They have 2 Guerrillas, 1 M41, 1 Lorraine 39, and 1 Vespec. I'm a top tier heavy tank, so I'm going to be extremely aggressive on this side of the map. Maybe you didn't see it in the beginning, I don't remember, but I sent in a chat to all my teammates not to cross the river. On Erlenberg, in this game mode, you should not cross the river at first. You must first clean up your side, then try to go on the other side. This is a relay, the first one, 2 shots, is gone. Let's push forward. As I said, we have to clean up our side before attempting anything else. Unfortunately, I'm rather alone here, but I'm in a strong T14 heavy tank. I can take quite a beating since I'm top tier. The gun is not that great. I have spotted the Lorraine 39. He's running away. He's alone on this side of the map, nobody to support him, so this is why. He could have stayed hidden in the far east corner. Maybe I would not have spotted him if he's lucky. I'm going towards the enemy base, but changing my mind because fortunately I changed my mind. I just turned, slow down and turn. The M41 just splashed me with 0 damage. I was saying I changed my mind because most of my team are still in the south part, and I'm sure we're going to lose the western flank 95% of the time on Erlenberg on this game mode. We lose this flank. There is a second relay spotted by the T-34. First hit, not much health left. Trying to blind shot, I completely failed the shot. Another fail, the T-34 shoots the relay, shoots again, but I get him. I got the kill. Third artillery kills now. Going back to our cap, because I sense troubles. Meanwhile, many of my teammates went north, so is that really necessary to go back to the base? We still have 3 artilleries over there. This is at this point, but I'm getting confused about what should I do. Should I try to protect my own base? Should I try to rush the enemy base? I don't know. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm top tier, heavy tank. This is my job to protect the base. If I don't do it, nobody else is going to do it, and we have 3 artilleries in trouble. Going aggressive, at least trying as fast as I can. The first one to be spotted by our artillery is the T-24. Our artilleries can protect themselves, but not for long. One in the T-24, the artillery put a good one in it, and second shot, kill him. A BDR is coming. One shot. Fortunately, I decided to go back to our cap. Without this, I'm pretty sure we would have lost already. BDR, very low on health, shooting again, and I got him. Base secured. Our teammates are capping the enemy base, and they have detected the M41 and the Panzer SFL-4. The Panzer SFL-4 is very good tank destroyer. It has extremely good gun. It can penetrate absolutely anything frontally at tier 5. I made previously a video featuring this tank. It is a very deadly weapon. The tank I'm driving right now, for those who don't know, the T14 is a premium tank, no longer available in a premium shop. Sometimes we can find it in a wargaming package. This is the average tank, heavy tank. It has preferential matchmaking. It is basically M4 Sherman with much more heavily armored. The armor is very good frontally and also on the side. Some tier 4 cannot paint me on the side. Too bad. I didn't get the Panzer SFL-4. If I did, I could have aimed 2 Red Water medals. This is not happening. Only 2 artillery left. The Matilda who was capping died, of course, meanwhile. There is a Vespe handling my tank, taking a shot for 155 HP, which is not too bad. I know why is the M41, just going towards him. Shot me in the track. 1, 2, and this is a Bordaz medal with 5 artillery kills. First and only Bordaz medal I have, very rare, as well as killing 14 or 15 tanks, I think. There is the end result. With 7 kills we get the Top Gun. I would love to have the Great Walter, but it did not happen. And the Most Wanted Bordaz medal. Very proud of it, very happy. Next, 944 base experience makes us the first of the team. I'm not top of the team in damage done. The T67 did 30 damage more than I did, but he did cross the river, so he died. And the last plate, 42,445 credits as a result. This is a premium tank, so I made a good credit. I didn't spend much armor, I didn't use premium. I took some damage, but that's very cheap to repair. And almost 3,400 XP towards my my new crew. I don't know if you noticed, right in the beginning, we quickly lost 2 tanks. I was wondering what happened to those 2 tanks, because they say they drowned, so let's see what really happened. With the Panzer 1C, yeah, right. Okay, let's say he was typing and chatting or having some lag, and it was an accident. There is the Tier 3 American artillery, his platoon mate, looking at him and doing the same thing. Let's assume that he was trying to help him. We not pretend they're bad players or they try to kill themselves. Let's stay positive. As a conclusion, that was my Bordaz medal. As I said, extremely rare medal. In 30,000 battles, first one I see. I don't know if I will be able to repeat this feat. I just would like to add that I would have loved to have a Red Water on the top of the Bordaz medal, but it wasn't meant to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and to see you next time. Bye.